So thank you for tuning in to Sabrina's Cleaning Tips and Tricks. And I had a video earlier of explaining, not necessarily showing, but explaining how I wash the mirrors and windows and everything, especially when you have dogs and, you know, they have snot and they huff and all of that. So I am at a client's full-length mirror, and I have already sprayed it, but I'm going to go ahead and redo it for you. I spray, it's 3 easy steps. I spray my Sprayway glass cleaner. Then I use my Scrub Daddy, and I scrub the whole entire thing. And then I take my shop towels and I wipe it down. There's no streaks, there's nothing, and I don't have to respray it to do all that. It's done. It's one and done, I guess. So let me show you. What you doing? Huh? So then you just take your Scott's towel and then you just wipe. And I'm using the same paper towel. I haven't changed. And now, it's beautiful. And that's how I like to clean the mirrors and the windows. Ta-da! Thank you guys so much, and have a good day.